Hi, hello everyone. Okay, welcome to Indian Online School, a school for Olympiad Champions. So today we are going to discuss about some of the International Olympiad questions for grade 5. Okay, let us start. Okay, so the first question, 5 natural numbers are chosen from 1 to 5. These add up to 45. If we call the biggest of these 5 numbers, say B, what is the largest possible value of B across all such set of 5 numbers? Okay, the question asked here is, first 5 natural numbers are chosen from the 1 to 45. So we have natural numbers here starting from 1, right? So we have to choose 5 natural numbers in between, that is 1 and 45. Yes, and if we take the largest number of these 5, okay, so we have to find that largest possible number out of these 5. Anybody, whatever maybe we are choosing, whatever may be the number we are choosing out of these 5 numbers, we have to find the largest possible value of that numbers. Okay, so here we are using a concept which is largest possible number in a sum constraint. Okay, so for that, to find the largest possible number, first we have to find, the first step that we have to find the smallest numbers of this. Yes, so first smallest 4 numbers. Okay, so smallest 4 numbers will be what? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the smallest natural numbers out of these from 1 to 45. First, we have to check for which are the smallest four numbers. Okay, smallest 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to find out the biggest number, we have to find the sum of these smallest 4 numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What we are getting? We are getting 10, right? So when we subtract this 10 from the 45, that is the up end limit. Okay, so that is our 45, right? So when we are subtracting 45 minus 10, then what we are getting? 35, correct? So 35 is the possible largest number. So that is our B. Largest possible number is 35. So to find such type of questions, we have to find the smallest numbers or smallest 4 numbers first out of this. If we are asked to find 5 numbers, so we will find the first 4 small numbers. Okay, these are out of 1 to 45, these are our numbers. Then we have to find out the sum of this. So we will get 10, correct? Then with that largest limit, that is 45, we will subtract 10. Then we will get the possible largest number. So the correct answer is option B, 35. Coming to the next question. What is the least third digit number whose digits multiply to 12? Okay, so here we have 4 options, right? So 4 options when we are multiplying here, we have to find the least 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, right? So here A, B and C all are 3-digit numbers only, correct? And the D option is 2-digit number. So this cannot be our option because we want 3-digit number, least 3-digit number, correct? So when you take first case, that is option A, 126. When you multiply this, yes, what you're getting, 1 into 2 into 6, that you will get 12, correct? Second option, coming to the second option, when we take 1, 3, 4. When we take the multiplication, 1 into 3 into 4, again we will get 12, correct? Third option also 223. When you are multiplying the digits, again you will get what? 12, correct? So we are getting the multiplied, that product we are getting the 12 only, but we out of these, which is the least 3-digit number? So 126, 134 and 223, which is the least 3-digit number? So that is 126 is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. According to the pattern shown below, how many of the symbols are there in the 9th group? Here you can see the symbol, right? So here in the first group, second group, third group, fourth group, you have some set of symbols, right? So we have to find out how many symbols are there in the 9th group of this pattern. Yes. So these type of patterns will be, sometimes it will be multiplying by some number or adding some number. So first we have to identify the pattern of this. Okay, So here when you observe, you can see that first one is a 1 by 1 square grid only, right? Only one box is there. And second one, when you see, this is a 3 by 3 square grid, that is 9 squares are there. And third one, when you examine, that is, it is a 5 by 5 square grid, that is 25 square boxes are there. And fourth group, when you see, you can see that this is a 5 by 5 and here it is 7 by 7 grid only. Yes. So each time the square grid is of like odd numbers only, correct? When you examine 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. like this only. Okay. So when you comes to the ninth group, then what is happening? In the ninth group, it will become 17. When we reach 17, it will be a 17 by 17 group only, right? That is when you count according to the odd number, when you come like ninth group. Yes. So that is, we have 1 here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So the ninth group will be 17 by 17 grid only, correct? So here, let us see what about the symbol inside it. Yes. If it is a 1 by 1 square grid, we are getting only one symbol, correct? And in the second one, we are getting here total 9 symbols are there, correct? And third one, you are getting 18 symbols. 1, 9, here 18, and fourth one here 25. Okay. So to get the first one, when you examine, you can see that the order is going like this. We can give a formula that is 4n minus 3, where n is the number of rows or columns. So here we have 4n. So n is first one, we can say that a row or a column, because here rows and columns are same only, correct? So here first one, when we take, there are one column or one row is there. So 4 into 1 minus 3, which is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. We are getting the first one symbol. Second one, 4n minus p, when we are applying, here n is 2 only, because here, sorry, next one is 3 only, because it is a 3 by 3 grid only, correct? So here 4 minus 3, which is equal to 12 minus 3, which is equal to 9. We get the number of symbols here 9, correct? Coming to the third section, that is 4 into, this is a 5 by 5 grid only, so 5 rows are there. So here we will get 4 into 5 minus 3, correct? So here 20 minus 3. So which is equal to 70. So this will go like this only. So we have to find out how many number of symbols are there in the 17th grade, correct? So 17th grade, we have to apply the same formula only. So that is 4n minus 3. That is our formula. So what we will do, 4 into 17 minus 3. So 4 into 17, when we do, we will get 68. 68 minus 3 is 65. So like this way, we can find out how many symbols are there in the 17th grade. So the correct answer is option A, 65. Coming to the next question, fourth one. How many degrees of angles does the short hand of a clock move from 130 to 330? Yes. So here we have a clock, okay? Suppose that we have a clock here. Yes, so here actual the time is now 1:30. If from 1:30 to 3 o'clock, if it is moving, how many degrees of angle does the short hand of, that is our hand, that is short hand of the clock, move from 1:30 to 3 o'clock? Okay, so if it is in 1:30, the short hand will be in between 1 and 2, and the minute hand, that is in the 6 only, right? In the same case, when I'm taking it as like for 3 o'clock, it will be in here and the 12 o'clock, right? So from here to here, that is this angle we have to find. What is this angle? Correct. So obviously we know that when we are total a circle is what? That is 360 degree only, correct? 360 degree, a total circle. So how many hours are there? That is 12 hours. So 360 by 12 we will get, that is 30 degree, correct? So each angle from like 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, each angle is 30 degree, correct? So we have to find out what is from here, right? So 1:30 to 3 o'clock. It is moving from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. So total, what is the difference between these time? That is 1 hour and 30 minutes, correct? Or we can say that 1.5 hour, correct? So 1.5 hour into, so 1 hour is 30. So 1.5 hour will be what? 1.5 into 30 degree. So that is equal to 45. 45 degree is the angle here. Otherwise, we can choose like this. So each angle, this is dividing into 4 portions, right? Clock is dividing into 4 parts. Each is a quarter, right? So quarter angle, each will be what? 90 degree only. And if this is a line in between 19 means each, this is dividing this into 2 equal parts, correct? 90 degree. So half of 90 degree, we will get 45 degree. So like that way also, we can find the angle in between them. So the hour and the angles, degree of angles from which moves from 1:30 to 3 o'clock is 45 degree. Option D is the correct answer.